Hello guys, today I will show you how to cut this safari shirt from scratch. A measurement here is 40, length 30, shoulder 18, then sleeve 22. Okay, first of all, we'll fold the fabric into two, just our desired chest. We're taking 2 inches for the button allowance and the folding allowance. So we join the lines together. After joining the lines together, the next thing we do, we have to take the length. Don't forget, we actually folded the clothes to our chest measurement. Take note. And after joining the lines together, the next thing we do, we take the length of the shirt. For where we're going to be using 30 inches. 30 inches for this length. Then after that, we mark our length. Then we mark the length in both sides so that we can be able to rule our lines together. Just the way you're seeing on the video. Just take calm and you'll see everything. Okay, after that, we join the lines together. After joining the lines together, the next thing we do, we measure our shoulder slope. Now the shoulder slope, we're going to be using 2 inches. Sometimes you can use 2.5 depending on what you want to do. But me, I'm using 2 inches for the safari top. We mark, then we join the lines together. And after doing that, we mark our neck, our shoulder. Our shoulder is 18. Now we start from that 2 inches, 2 inches that we took. Then we mark our 18, our 9. Because if you divide 18 by 2 is 9. Then we take our neck. Our neck is 3 inches, probably 2.75, depending which of them you want to use. Then we join the shoulder and the neck dots together. Now we have a slope. And the next thing we get our armhole. Our armhole, we're going to be dividing our shoulder by 2 minus half. That's 8.5. So we're marking 8.5. Then we bring that same measurement. That same measurement, then we'll bring it down. Then minus 0.5 inch. Then we add 2.5 inch at the chest. That's for our chest measurement. Then we join the slope for our shoulder to the 0.5 we minus. Then we do the curve. Don't mind my voice, I have kata, that's why. Okay, then we move to the next part. We're going to be taking our waistline. Our waistline is 16.5 inch. From the shoulder to the waistline is 16.5. We mark, then we add 9 inches. That's from the waistline to the hip. That's 9 inches. Just the way you are seeing on the video. Watch closely and follow the instructions. Do the same thing for the other part. Then you join your lines together. Just as simple as A, B, C. Now we come back to our chest measurement. Remember, we said our chest is 40. 40 divided by 4 is we have 10 plus 2.5. We're having 12.25. So that's what we're marking. 10 plus 2.5. We have 10.25. Then we mark it. Then we're going to be minusing 1 inch from the waistline. Instead of 12.5, we will now give 11.5. Then when we get to the hip line, we just do the same thing for the chest. Since the hip is not bigger than the chest and it has a curve under. So that's just the way you're seeing on the line, on the board rather. So after then you cut it off. It's just as simple as A, B, C. Anybody can do this. Sometimes when you see all these designs online, you'll be like, oh, this thing is bam. It's simple. Then next thing we fold our back. After folding our back, we place our front. Remember, don't forget we normally give 1 inch, or rather 1 inch space from the front is actually bigger than the back. Just the way you will see on this video. The next thing we do now, we bring our front, then we place it on the back. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's on my bio. Please click and subscribe. Thank you very much. You see more tips, full videos are always there. Then the next thing, we place our front on top of the back. Then we try to adjust so that we can get the perfect size for this cloth. Then while we're adjusting, we try our best not to get the wrong folding. You understand? So that the fabric can give us that vibe we are looking for. The next thing we do, we want to get our shoulder for this fabric. You remember the line we took, the slope line? We just drew it, extend it out then from the front, then we draw it. After drawing it, we'll mark our shoulder. Shoulder is 9. The same thing we're going to be marking here. We'll mark 9 here. We'll mark 9 inches. Then we'll bring it down. Then the next thing, I forgot, I did actually adjust the shirt, so I'll be adjusting it now. So I adjusted the shirt, remove our 1 inch that was supposed to take from the initial start. Then I adjusted it then, I'm taking our shoulder back again. So you see that the measurement is actually going to change now. See, it's actually going to change now. So I took it back and it changed. We're having an half change. Then we take a slope line, then we get a curve. Just as I remember, the back armhole and the front armhole, they are not the same. So we'll move further by cutting. After cutting, the next thing we do, we're cutting our sleeve for this shirt. So you ask, you did not measure the armhole, you did not measure the armhole. If you calculate, we had armhole for our armhole was 8.5. So we're adding half inch, which is making it 9. So that's what we're going to be taking here. We're using 9 inches for the armhole. First of all, we draw our straight line to get our normal starting point. Then we take 4 inches. 4 inches. After taking the 4 inches, the next thing we do, we join the lines together. We join the lines together. After joining the lines together, we measure the length. The length of the sleeve is 22. We're going to be taking 21.5. I don't actually know. The person is actually short, so you should just know that the person has a short hand. So we'll make use of 21.5. That's what we'll be marking here. After marking, we'll move to the next side, 21.5. Then we mark it. Then we join the lines together. What we'll be taking for the ribs is just 6. That's 12. 6 inches, okay. After then, you just rule up, add some inches to the armhole, then voila. Don't forget, I told you our armhole is 9 because we added 0.5 to the 8.5 inches. Then after then, we do our normal armhole curve, just like that. And also we'll be adding our 0. Don't forget, we used to add 1 inches of minus, but probably I did this one very deep, and I'm going to be adding on top. This is another pattern. If you're watching my videos, you will see these different patterns, so you know when to use them and when not to use them. You understand? So now what we're going to do, we're going to join the lines together. Then after them, we cut it off. If you watch closely, I did not cut that one I added. So now this is where I'm removing that one I added. Normally when I was doing my other video, I used to minus, but I see later minus it, but I added in this one because I went deeper. Then I added. Now, what the next thing we do, we place our sleeve on top of the fabric so that we can duplicate it by cutting out, just the way you are seeing on the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, share the post so that others who would want to get this knowledge can get it for free. You're not paying any money. Thank you very much. Okay, the next thing we do, we're going to be cutting our back yoke. Now you actually, I did not see any armhole, I did not see any neck on the back. Okay, now we are cutting our back yoke. So if you've watched this level, just click the like button and also click the follow button. Now this is our back yoke. We took 5 inches for this back yoke. Then we took 2 inches. Just remember, we took 2 inches the first time we were cutting the neck slope. That's what we're taking here now. Then we come down to the neck. We'll be taking our neck normally was 3 inches. So we'll mark it 3 inches here. Then mark 1.5 deep, not 2. We're not using making use of that 2 inches. We're making 1.5 deep. It's not like it's the same. There's an half inch is different. Then we take our curve because it's the back. Then we mark our shoulder. Our shoulder is 9 inches. We mark our shoulder. We join the shoulder to the slope of the neck at the back. Then we have a slope. And the next thing we do, we bring our shoulder down. That is it. As simple as A, B, C, D. The next thing you do, you cut off. This is actually my best part because it brings the beauty of the fabric. The fabric that was looking straight now is now looking shapy. So after cutting off, the next thing you do, remember, we'll now be placing our back yoke to cut the inside yoke. And the inside one is actually bigger. We're always keeping an ½ inch bigger than the one we cutted. An ½ inch, just the way you'll be seeing on the video. Please, this is very important. Take note. Not go and cut it equally. Then when you want to sew, one will be shorter and one will be longer. Just the way you are seeing on the video, that's how you will do it. Please, thank you very much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. The link is on my bio. Please, it will do me a good harm if you go there and click and subscribe and share my videos. Thank you very much.